I don't want it to stick. Hello, welcome to my kitchen, Medha's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today I'm making a khichdi for my lunch, and I am using pearl Kodo millet, which is called varagu in Tamil or Malayalam. It is an excellent substitute for rice or wheat in preparations, and this has a lot of health benefits. It is very good for your gut health and blood sugar controls, and this is mainly it can use in weight management also. So this one I am taking. When I make this, I don't make a whole lot because it's so easy to cook. I'm adding a lot of vegetables in it. So I am just measuring 1 cup here. I filled up half of the varagu or kodo millet, and I am going to add dal. This is moong dal I am adding. So I am going to make like 1 cup the whole together. So Kodo millet is almost a little more than half, and I'm then filling it up with my dal, so it will be like a liquidy kind of khichdi. That's what I'm planning, and it will be very light and filling rich recipe. So the whole together, the grains and pulses, I'm taking 1 cup. This is the masoor dal. This is also very easy to cook and good for your digestion. So everything together now 1 cup. 1 cup of grains. I'm just adding it. Washing. I'm starting in the pressure cooker. When you wash the grains, you have to wash it very well. So the millet, the outer coating is also gone. So I'm just doing because it forms a foamy thing. If you wash it well, that foam will be less. The first wash, you can see the water is much more clearer now. I'm just taking all that outer coating of the grains with my, you know. So you wash it thoroughly with a couple of good washes and rinse very well. So that is the first step. Now you can see the water is very clear. This is my last wash. I washed it 3 times, and you can see the grains very clean now. I'm going to add it in the pressure cooker with a double amount of water. So 1 cup of total quantity of grains plus lentils, I added 3 cups of water. So it will be like, and then I'm going to add little bit of oil. I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil, or extra virgin olive oil. Look into 1 whistle and then let it cool naturally. So it's going to be a very simple khichdi. So basic things we use for khichadis: 2 green chilies, piece of ginger, half an onion, 1 carrot, 2 small potatoes, almost same quantity, 1 tomato, 1 cup of green peas, and then handful of curry leaves. I'm going to tell you another tip. This is the same water I washed the grains. I'm going to use the same water to wash all my vegetables because there is a reason. Sorry about that. Let me switch it off. I'm using the same water to water my plants, indoor plants. I'm going to add some good quantity, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, adding few black pepper in it, not a whole lot. I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of fennel, and some coriander, whole coriander, half a teaspoon. Few pieces of cloves and a few pieces of cinnamon sticks. All my whole spices. The spices started spluttering. You can hear that sound. That is when, especially the black pepper. Black pepper has to crackle a little bit. Then only the flavors will be correct. Okay, so I'm going to add the ginger, garlic, ginger, and green chilies into it, and then curry leaves. It's more curry leaves, onion, right, let it cook. Going to add this tomato, adding some hing. It is quarter teaspoon hing into that, and quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon of red chili. Just heating that spices in the oil. I'm adding carrot. I'm adding potatoes. You can add green beans, um, but this is frozen green beans. It doesn't have to cook too much, so I want to preserve the color, so I'm keeping it, adding it later. Cook these vegetables with some salt. So what all salt we needed for the whole khichdi I am adding into this. 3 1/4 teaspoons of, which is 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Because I want the vegetables to get that salt. Let it cook. I'm going to add the piece into that. I'm adding more curry leaves. We need some more salt. I'm adding one more. So total 1 teaspoon salt. And we are going to open this. Cook the dal and millet. I don't want it to stick. I like it a little more watery, so I'm adding a little more water. Boil a little bit. This is my nice vegan recipe, Kodo Millet Khichdi. It's a very simple khichdi with all the aromatics. And you can add coriander leaves at this point, but I don't have coriander leaves today, so I'm just leaving it like that. I'm just stopping the cooking right now. I just let it cool on the stove for a minute before I take it out. Cover it on stove. Okay, my Kodo millet khichdi, it's ready now. Look at that. This is my lunch today. So I'm going to serve it. Very simple recipe, simple and humble dish, pure good, good, all happiness in it. This is served like this, and I have some homemade yogurt with it, and a little bit of lemon pickle that's also homemade, and a pepper. Very simple serving, but so tasty. Friends, please try this recipe. This is so good for your health and gut, and you will love it. I guarantee it's 100%. You would love it. And this is so nutritious, good for your gut, and very filling and wholesome food. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. And please watch, subscribe, and share my videos with your family and friends. We will see you in another interesting recipe like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.